Hello students, welcome to this course MS Excel with SQL. In the first lecture, we are going to discuss about pivot table. So we're going to start with the basics of pivot table. So given a data set, how would you insert a pivot table? So we're going to start from that. So if you have a continuous data, how this pivot table is going to be helpful. If you have categorical variables, how this pivot table is going to be useful for you. And we are going to discuss the steps to analyze the data using a pivot table. We are going to learn about inserting slicers, timeline, and various other features of pivot table tool. And we are going to have practical class exercises and also assignments in this particular lecture, which is primarily based on the pivot table. So we're going to start from the basics and we are going to learn advanced concepts of pivot table. This is the base for the entire course, because once you learn the pivot table, then we have the power pivot, the power map, all those concepts. So pivot table is the basics. So if you are very strong with the pivot table concept, all other things would be much more easier. So let us start with the lecture 1. As I said, we are starting with unit number 2. So that's on pivot table. So we'll start with unit number 2, lecture 1. Thank you.